everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special for all the kitchen enthusiasts out there. We're going to dive into the world of RAINOVO kitchen faucets and explore the top 3 models that are making waves in the market. If you're looking to elevate the style and functionality of your kitchen, stay tuned. Our first contender is a true showstopper, the RAINOVO kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer in brushed gold. The RAINOVO kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer brushed gold is a great choice for anyone who wants a stylish and functional kitchen faucet. It has a modern look that will complement any kitchen decor, and its pull-down sprayer makes it easy to clean dishes and rinse fruits and vegetables. Here are some of the features of the RAINOVO kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer brushed gold. Made from durable stainless steel. Pull-down sprayer with 4 spray modes: stream, spray, blade, and mist. Easy to install with a single hole deck plate. High-arc design that provides ample clearance for pots and pans. Single handle lever control for easy water flow and temperature adjustment. Here are some additional details about the RAINOVO kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer brushed gold that you may find helpful. The faucet has a flow rate of 2.2 gallons per minute. The faucet is lead-free and NSF certified. The faucet comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Here are some pros and cons of the RAINOVO kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer brushed gold. Pros: stylish and modern design. Functional pull-down sprayer. Easy to install. Durable construction. Cons: price, water pressure, sprayer reach, brand reputation. Overall, the RAINOVO kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer brushed gold is a stylish and functional faucet that would be a great addition to any kitchen. However, it is important to consider the price and potential cons before making a purchase. Next up, we have a sleek and versatile option, the RAINOVO kitchen faucet with 4-mode pull-down sprayer in matte black. If you're into a more contemporary and minimalistic vibe, this might be the perfect choice for you. The RAINOVO kitchen faucet with 4-mode pull-down sprayer matte black is a modern and stylish faucet that is perfect for any kitchen. It features a 4-mode pull-down sprayer that provides a variety of spray options for different cleaning tasks. The faucet also has a single handle design that makes it easy to control the water flow and temperature. The RAINOVO kitchen faucet is made of high-quality stainless steel and is finished in a matte black color. It is also lead-free and NSF certified, so you can be sure that it is safe for your family. The RAINOVO kitchen faucet is easy to install and comes with all of the necessary hardware. It is also covered by a limited lifetime warranty. Here are some of the features of the RAINOVO kitchen faucet with 4-mode pull-down sprayer matte black. 4-mode spray. The RAINOVO faucet has 4 different spray modes: stream, spray, blade, and mist. The stream mode is perfect for everyday tasks like filling pots and pans. The spray mode is great for rinsing dishes and vegetables. The blade mode is a powerful jet spray that's perfect for tackling tough messes, and the mist mode is a gentle spray that's perfect for delicate items. Pull-down sprayer. The faucet also has a pull-down sprayer that makes it easy to reach every corner of your sink. The sprayer has a long hose that gives you plenty of reach, and it retracts easily when you're done using it. Matte black finish. The matte black finish of the faucet is beautiful and stylish. It will look great in any kitchen. Easy installation. The RAINOVO faucet is easy to install, even if you're not a plumbing pro. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and all the hardware you need is included. Here are some pros and cons. Pros: 4 spray modes for different tasks. Pull-down sprayer for easy reach. Beautiful matte black finish. Easy to install. Cons: some users have reported that the spray modes can be a little difficult to switch between. The faucet is a bit on the pricey side. Overall, I really like the RAINOVO kitchen faucet with 4-mode pull-down sprayer in matte black. It's a well-made, stylish faucet that makes washing dishes a breeze. If you're looking for a new faucet for your kitchen, I highly recommend checking it out. Last but certainly not least, we have the RAINOVO kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer. This model combines classic design with modern functionality, making it a versatile choice for any kitchen aesthetic. The RAINOVO kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer is a modern and stylish faucet that is perfect for any kitchen. It features a high-arc spout that provides ample clearance for pots and pans, and a pull-down sprayer that makes it easy to rinse dishes and clean the sink. The faucet is made from durable stainless steel and is available in a variety of finishes, so you can find one that matches your kitchen decor. Here are some of the features of the RAINOVO kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer. Pull-down sprayer. The first thing you'll notice about this faucet is the pull-down sprayer, so you can find one that matches your kitchen decor. Here are some of the features of the RAINOVO kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer. Pull-down sprayer. The first thing you'll notice about this faucet is the pull-down sprayer. This is a great feature for rinsing dishes, filling pots, and cleaning the sink. The sprayer has 4 spray modes: stream, spray, powerful spray, and pause. Single handle. The RAINOVO faucet also has a single handle design. This makes it easy to control the water flow and temperature with just one hand. High arc design. The high arc design of the faucet gives you plenty of clearance for filling large pots and pans. Durable finish. The faucet is made from a durable stainless steel finish that is resistant to scratches and corrosion. Easy installation. The RAINOVO faucet is easy to install, even for dyers. Here are some pros and cons. Pros: pull-down sprayer with 4 spray modes, single handle design, high arc design, durable finish, easy installation. Cons: some users have reported that the sprayer hose can be a bit stiff. The faucet is a bit on the pricey side. Overall, I'm really impressed with the RAINOVO kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer. It's a well-made faucet with a lot of great features. If you're looking for a new kitchen faucet, I highly recommend checking this one out. There you have it, folks. The top 3 RAINOVO kitchen faucets that are changing the game. Whether you prefer the luxurious brushed gold, the sleek matte black, or the classic pull-down sprayer design, RAINOVO has something for everyone. Check the links in the description for more information and make sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!